Hi there, Coach Tommy here in Hedi. We're now doing steps on contact drills and contact training. Most of the times when you look at any self-defense videos, we're very clinical technical training when there is no active attackers, or then it's just all out people in full turtleman gear, or Michelin man gear attacking each other with 1,000,000% of aggression and energy. But now, if you think about that, I go to a gym first time and then I gradually start to go into contact, put it all out there immediately. It's just like taking your kid and throwing them to the pool and saying that, okay, let's see if you can swim or not. In the resistance training and sparring and contact training, Dear Child had many names. The thing is that we can go gradually into how to get punched, how to get hit. First exercise we tend to do here is so that I will have my glove here in my head. And the thing is that Hedi will start punching me to my elbow. So I start to feel that, okay, hey, how does that feel? She's actually making straight punches at the same time. And I am thinking that, okay, this is how it feels. And when I start to get scared, I start to do stuff like this because this is my flinching, I'm startled, I'm not feeling comfortable anymore. And this is where she needs to say, okay, let's stop. Let's come back to here. Because this is where you're protected. Here, if she punches to my hand now, I'm not protected anymore. So then we can go into saying, okay, she's blowing punches to my both hands. It doesn't matter, crossing or straight. And again, once I start to do this, then it's time to stop. Because that was the limit of my psychological endurance at that point. When I'm getting comfortable here, and I can keep my eyes open and stuff like this doesn't scare me anymore. Now we can move into hitting higher. She's hitting to the glove part. And now I get to practice how it feels it here. And now it's obvious that if my hands are here and she's hitting to here, this starts to happen. I start to curve as a ball and so and so and so. Once you start feeling that, it's time to call stop and go again. Get a good position, start to do this. These are the baby steps. And now we start to get one-on-one exercise. She punches 2 times, I punch 2 times. We're just training for, okay, how to endure the blow. This is not sparring. There is no element of situational self-defense. This is deliberate practice on how to take a blow. From here, we can then go into defending and moving. So now, my job is to attack Hedi. Her job is to counter. At this point, we're not wearing many headgears or something like this. She's concentrating on delivering blows to my mid-torso. So I'm doing stuff and she's moving out. The idea, as you saw me attacking, I was just making regular straight punches. As I caused her in the first part a lot of mental stress, I was not telling her what to do. Now, all she needs to do is move and fire. So move and hit me. Every time she sees me moving, you see her moving. So that was the next part of the training. Eventually, we go into 1-on-1, 2-on-1, 3-on-1 type of drills. The base needs to be laid first. If you want to try this, not necessarily go into the deep end of the water first. So step by step and gradual moving forward is the key. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, there's more of it. So hit like, hit subscribe, and be back with us.